morning. This morning we wake up right in front of a old factory abattoir. This is where they slaughter the sheep. And last night when we came in was like pitch dark. So this is where we went up the hill and just parked right beside the farms. This is an abandoned factory. I went in and then there's nobody around. We're now walking into the Waipu Gorge Nature Reserve, and we understand that there's a small waterfall inside. It's a short walk, but because it's raining today, so the entire place is very wet and slippery. We're now at Wangere Town Basin.